Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to answer 50 important questions about pregnancy and a mother's health. These answers will help expecting mothers understand what to expect and how to take care of themselves during this special time. So let's get started. Question number 1. What are the early signs of pregnancy? And the answer is missed periods, nausea, vomiting, breast tenderness, and fatigue are common early signs of pregnancy. Question number 2. How can I confirm my pregnancy? And the answer is a home pregnancy test or a visit to your doctor can confirm your pregnancy. Question number 3. How often should I see my doctor during pregnancy? And the answer is regular checkups are important. Typically, you will see your doctor once a month during the first 6 months, every 2 weeks during the 7th and 8th month, and weekly in the last month. Question number 4. What should I eat during pregnancy? A balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, protein, and dairy is essential, and prenatal vitamins are also important. Question number 5. Can I exercise during pregnancy? And the answer is yes. Regular exercise like walking, swimming, and prenatal yoga is beneficial, but always consult your doctor before starting any new exercise routine. Question number 6. What foods should I avoid during pregnancy? Avoid raw or undercooked meat, fish with high mercury levels, unpasteurized dairy, and certain types of seafood. Question number 7. How much weight should I gain during pregnancy? And the answer is weight gain varies, but generally 25 to 35 pounds is recommended for women with a normal pre-pregnancy weight. Question number 8. Can I drink coffee during pregnancy? And the answer is limit caffeine intake to 200 mg per day, which is about 1 12-ounce cup of coffee. Question number 9. What are common pregnancy discomforts? Morning sickness, back pain, swollen feet, and heartburn are common discomforts during pregnancy. Question number 10. How can I relieve morning sickness? And the answer is eating small, frequent meals, staying hydrated, and avoiding strong odors can help relieve morning sickness. Question number 11. Is it safe to travel during pregnancy? Travel is generally safe until the 36th week, but always consult your doctor before making travel plans. Question number 12. What should I do if I have a cold or flu during pregnancy? And the answer is rest, stay hydrated, drink lukewarm drinks like soups, milk, water, and consult your doctor for safe medications. Question number 13. Can I dye my hair during pregnancy? And the answer is most research suggests that it is safe, especially after the first trimester. However, it is best to consult your doctor. Question number 14. What are Braxton Hicks contractions? And the answer is these are practice contractions that can occur throughout pregnancy, typically not painful and irregular. Question number 15. How can I prevent stretch marks? And the answer is keeping the skin moisturized and gaining weight gradually may help reduce stretch marks. Question number 16. What should I do if I feel dizzy during pregnancy? And the answer is sit or lie down until the dizziness passes and make sure to stay hydrated and eat regularly. Question number 17. Is it normal to have cravings during pregnancy? Yes, cravings are common and can be due to hormonal changes. Question number 18. Can I have sex during pregnancy? And the answer is sex is generally safe during pregnancy until your doctor advises otherwise. Question number 19. What is gestational diabetes? A gestational diabetes is a type of diabetes that develops during pregnancy and usually goes away after birth, but it requires careful management. Question number 20. How can I manage stress during pregnancy? And the answer is exercise, rest, prenatal yoga, and talking to a counselor can help manage stress. Question number 21. What should I pack in my hospital bag? And the answer is include items like comfortable clothing, sanitary pads, toiletries, baby clothes, and important documents. Question number 22. How do I know if I am in labor? Signs of labor include regular contractions, water breaking, and lower back pain. So contact your doctor if you suspect labor. Question number 23. What is preeclampsia? Preeclampsia is a serious condition characterized by high blood pressure and signs of damage to other organ system, often the kidneys, and it requires medical attention. Question number 24. How can I relieve back pain during pregnancy? And the answer is maintaining good posture, using supportive pillows, and gentle exercises can help relieve back pain. Question number 25. Can I take medications during pregnancy? And the answer is only take medications approved by your doctor during pregnancy. Question number 26. What is the importance of prenatal vitamins? And the answer is prenatal vitamins provide essential nutrients like folic acid, iron, and calcium that support the health of the mother and baby. Question number 27. How can I improve my sleep during pregnancy? And the answer is sleeping on your side, using pregnancy pillows, and maintaining a regular sleep schedule can improve sleep. Question number 28. What is the significance of fetal movements? Feeling the baby move is a sign that the baby is active and healthy. So report any changes in movement to your doctor without any delay. Question number 29. Can I get vaccinated during pregnancy? And the answer is certain vaccines like the flu shot and Tdap are recommended during pregnancy, but always consult your doctor. Question number 30. What are the stages of labor? Labor is divided into 3 stages. The first stage is dilation of the cervix, and the second stage is delivery of the baby, and the third stage is delivery of the placenta. Question number 31. How can I prepare for breastfeeding? And the answer is taking a breastfeeding class, talking to a lactation consultant, and reading about breastfeeding can help prepare. Question number 32. What are the signs of postpartum depression? Symptoms include persistent sadness, anxiety, irritability, and changes in sleep or eating patterns. Seek help if you experience these symptoms. Question number 33. Can I use a sauna or hot tub during pregnancy? And the answer is it's best to avoid saunas and hot tub during pregnancy due to the risk of overheating. Question number 34. How can I prevent dehydration during pregnancy? And the answer is drink plenty of water throughout the day and avoid excessive caffeine. Question number 35. What is the importance of skin-to-skin contact after birth? Skin-to-skin contact helps bond with the baby, regulates the baby's temperature, and promotes breastfeeding. Question number 36. Can I continue working during pregnancy? And the answer is most women can continue working during pregnancy, but it depends on the nature of the job and your health. So always consult your doctor. Question number 37. How can I maintain a healthy relationship during pregnancy? And the answer is communicate openly with your partner, share responsibilities, and support each other emotionally. Question number 38. What should I do if I experience bleeding during pregnancy? And the answer is contact your doctor immediately if you experience any bleeding during pregnancy. Question number 39. Can I sleep on my back during pregnancy? And the answer is sleeping on your side, especially the left side, is recommended to improve blood flow to the baby. Question number 40. How can I prepare for childbirth? Taking childbirth classes, creating a birth plan, and discussing options with your doctor can help you prepare. Question number 41. What is the role of a doula? A doula provides physical and emotional support during pregnancy, labor, and postpartum. Question number 42. What are the benefits of prenatal yoga? Prenatal yoga can improve flexibility, reduce stress, and prepare the body for childbirth. Question number 43. How can I avoid infections during pregnancy? And the answer is practice good hygiene, avoid raw or undercooked foods, and stay up to date with recommended vaccinations. Question number 44. What is a birth plan? A birth plan is a document that outlines your preferences for labor and delivery. It can include your preferred pain relief options, who you want present, and any other wishes. Question number 45. How do I choose a pediatrician? Consider factors like the doctor's experience, location, office hours, and whether they accept your insurance. Meet with potential pediatricians before making a decision. Question number 46. What is the importance of bonding with the baby after birth? Bonding helps establish a strong emotional connection, support the baby's development, and can enhance breastfeeding success. Question number 47. How can I manage nausea during pregnancy? Eat small, frequent meals, stay hydrated, and avoid strong odors. Ginger and lemon can also help relieve nausea. Question number 48. What are Kegel exercises? Kegel exercises strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, which can help with bladder control and prepare the body for childbirth. Question number 49. How can I ensure a healthy pregnancy? Maintain a balanced diet, stay active, attend all prenatal appointments, and follow your doctor's advice. Question number 50. What should I do if I have questions or concerns during pregnancy? And the answer is always reach out to your doctor. They are there to support you and answer any questions you have. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining us to learn about pregnancy and a mother's health. We hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more health related content. Take care of yourselves and your little